Kerala PSC solved question paper code 82/2016. Post accountant or junior accountant or accounts assistant or accounts clerk for various companies and corporations. First question. Which one of the following is true with regards to cash discount? It is discount on prompt payment. Who among the following is associated with the term marketing myopia? Theodore Levitt. In which of the following pricing strategy the marketer charge maximum price on introducing a new product? Skimmed pricing. Dash is the set of all products and items that a seller offers to sell. Product mix. Which of the following do not fall under 4 P's suggested by McCarthy? Perfection. Which of the following concept says that the consumers will favor those products that are available widely at low cost? Production concept. In ABC analysis of stock control, which of the following is true with regards to C category goods? They have loose control. Which of the following is the formula to calculate workers' wage under Halsey premium plan? T into R plus percentage of S minus T into R. It is said that batch costing is an extension of dash costing. Answer. It is said that batch costing is an extension of job costing. The smallest subunit of an organization where cost collection is attempted is cost center. Zero-based budgeting is related to whom of the following? Jimmy Carter. Cost of abnormal idle time is debited to costing P&L account. Which one of the following is an uncontrollable cause of material price variance? Change in market price. Two or more products with same importance produced during a production process is known as joint product. FIFO method is best suited when prices are falling. In costing, dash analysis is used primarily for control of spare parts. Answer. In costing, VED analysis is used primarily for cost control of spare parts. Which of the following is true with regards to bin card? It records quantity only. Average stock level is calculated with which of the following formula? Minimum stock plus half reorder quantity. Which of the following is true with regards to escalation clause? Both A and B above. A is it is associated with contract costing. B is applicable when there is a change in the price of labor or material. Special drawing right SDR is related to which of the following institution? IMF. In which year the LIC was formed? 1956. 1956. Which of the following institutions regulate Indian money market in India? RBI. Which of the following institution was formed in India with the help of World Bank? ICICI. Name the first mutual fund scheme offered in India. Unit Scheme 64. All except one given below belongs to a group. Find out one which does not belong to the group. International Monetary Fund. RBI was established in which year? 1935. 1935. One of the following, which was the first development financial institution started in India? IFCI. Which of the following insurance company has reinsurance business? GIC of India. What is the meaning of the Latin word audire? To hear. Audit notebook is maintained by whom? Audit clerk. Which of the following statement is most suitable to an audit report? It is an opinion of the auditor. As per Indian Companies Act 2013, Section 139, an individual auditor on appointment shall hold the office for a term of 5 years. On completion of an audit, audit working papers are retained by the auditor. Which of the following statement is wrong with regards to an internal auditor has statutory powers? Not recording a transaction in the books of account, it is treated as an error of omission. As per Companies Act 2013, remuneration of the first auditor of a company is fixed by whom of the following? Board of Directors. Who appoint auditor in the case of government company or any other company owned or controlled directly or indirectly by the government as per Companies Act 2013. CAG of India. Which of the following statement is wrong with regards to internal check? It is done by appointed auditor. Following are the names of table of random numbers except Lucas table of random numbers. Value of probability lies between 0 and 1. Two unbiased coins are tossed. What is the probability of getting at least one tail? 3 by 4. Which of the following is the correct expression of regression equation of y on x? Y is equal to a plus bx. The value of no correlation is 0. Which of the following is not a property of normal distribution? Coefficient of Q-ness is 1. Which of the following is not a random sampling method? Judgment sampling. Theory of sampling is based on both A and B above. A is principle of statistical regularity. B is principle of inertia of large numbers. In which year the Indian Contract Act was passed? 1872. 1872. Which of the following is not a negotiable instrument? Share certificate. Grace period for calculating maturity of a bill of exchange as per Act is 3 days. Which of the following endorsement is not valid under Negotiable Instrument Act 1881? Partial endorsement. The doctrine of reputed ownership is related to which of the following? Insolvency Acts. Of the following, which is the formal certificate of dishonor issued by a notary public to the holder of a bill or note on his demand, protesting? All crossing, drawing two parallel transverse lines, usually on the left hand top corner on a check with following words between parallel lines, are treated as general crossing except the State Bank. Which of the following is true with regards to a balance sheet? It shows position of a business on a particular date. Income received but not earned is a liability. Bank account is an example of personal account. Unclaimed dividend is shown under which heading in the balance sheet? Current liabilities. Surrender value of joint life policy is shown as asset in the balance sheet when premium is treated as an ordinary business expense. In which year the Income Tax Act was passed? 1961. 1961. Which of the following statement is false with regards to income under Income Tax Act? It can be gifted with clear personal element. Which of the following is not a business expense? Depreciation. Which one of the following is correct with regards to budget? It is a single use plan. Which of the following is not a technique of scientific management? Scheduling. Theory of human motivation, need hierarchy theory, is given by whom? A.H. Maslow. Who invented difference engine? Charles Babbage. Who among the following is treated as founder of Human Relations School of Management? Elton Mayo. Which of the following is not a management function as given by H. Fayol? Staffing. Which of the following best explains planning premises? Planning environment. The idea of functional foremanship of supervision is given by whom? F.W. Taylor. Which is the oldest form of organization? Line. The process that reduces the gap between planning and performance is controlling. Order of command that runs from top to bottom is explained by scalar chain. Accountability means what? Obligation for the performance of duty. Which of the following primarily means to transfer authority from an individual to another? Delegating. Who issues treasury bills in India? RBI. Which one of the following is not a right under Consumer Protection Act 1986? Right to protect environment. The first characteristic Malayalam novel is Indulekha, published in 1889. The first characteristic Malayalam novel is Indulekha, published in 1889. 1889. Deshabhimani Ramakrishna Pillai was deported from Travancore in 1910. 1910. Channar agitation took place during the time Uttram Tirunal. Paschimodayam was published by Herman Gundert. The first girls' school was started at Kottayam. Tattva Pragashika Ashram is an educational center started by Vakbadananda. Author of Kerala Sahitya Charitra, Ullur S. Parameshwar Iyer. Deshabhimani was the newspaper of T.K. Madhavan. 93rd Constitutional Amendment related with education. The ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha, Vice President. Election Commission came into existence in 1950. Who was the first president of the Nair Service Society? K. Kelappan. Who started the Bachpan Bachavo Andolan? Kailash Satyarthi. The International Boxing Association banned which Indian boxer for 1 year for not accepting her bronze medal at Asian Games 2014. Sarita Devi. The International Boxing Association banned which Indian boxer for 1 year for not accepting her bronze medal at Asian Games 2014. Sarita Devi. The Asian Games 2018 held at Jakarta. Upcoming Asian Games will be held at China in 2022. Founder of Travancore Muslim Mahajana Sabha, Vakam Abdul Qadir Maulavi. Guruvayur Satyagraha was in 1931. 1931. Shiva Temple at Arivipuram established in 1888. 1888. Sahodara Sangam was founded at Cherai. Thank you.